Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. It's winter and cold, but I am comfortable in my fireplace and this rocking chair. Nothing is more relaxing than sitting in a rocking chair in front of a fireplace. So this rocking chair by Zugoni totally is awesome. I'm really happy with it. Finding a comfortable rocking chair can be difficult, but this one is really nice. I love how high up it goes so I can lean back and really relax. It also, the rocking is a really nice rocking motion. It doesn't really feel like it gets stuck anywhere. It comes with this really nice pillow, which I like to have as like a side armrest, but you also can use it as a lumbar pillow. And I really love that they have this little bag that attaches on the side. Not only is it kind of like a padding on the armrest, but it is a super convenient place to put, I like to put my phone and remote there, but if you put this in a baby's nursery, it would be awesome for that, and you could put burp rags and things like that that you need easily accessible. It's really easy to put together. It comes with all the tools you need. On the second day of having this chair, my daughter knocked over the table next to me and spilled Mountain Dew all over it. Usually I would have flipped out, but this thing is spill proof. So the Mountain Dew wiped off just as easy. You can't even tell. I just took a towel, dabbed it, and it was as good as new, which is a total plus in my house because furniture is guaranteed to get spills on it. If you're looking for a nice place to relax, whether it be for in front of a fireplace or your baby's nursery or just a living room, this one by Zugoni is really nice. I've spent many hours here and I plan on spending many, many more, but that's just my point of view.